Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking for a Subaru? This might be it. This is the 2015. This is a Subaru Forester. Stock number, it's quite long. It's T20414A1. Let's take a virtual video walk around of this Forester up close and personal, as opposed to looking at static photos and perfect video, allowing you to see this Forester in its real form. Watch this. We're going to open this up and take a look in the rear. It does have the power door. Ample room for luggage, groceries, whatever might have you. It does have the moonroof. We're going to go up front and show you the interior in just a second. This does have the backup camera, clean Carfax history report, heated seats, leather seats, roof rack, all-wheel drive. Does have the four-wheel disc brakes. Look at that nice moonroof right there. Ample legroom in the rear, making our way into the front. Easy access to all your controls within arm's length. Imagine yourself driving down the road in the rain with the all-wheel drive and the heated seats. Super safe vehicle. She will not last long. For more information on this Subaru or any others in our inventory, there's a lot. Call us, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down. We look forward to meeting you in person and hopefully earning your business on this Subaru. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.